Hi, good morning all. Welcome to Sri Software Solutions. Uh, now, so can you tell me whatever we have completed in our last sessions, in our yesterday session, what we have completed? We have completed comments, identifiers, and some part of keywords. Yes or no? Comments, identifiers, and some part of keywords. Okay, what is comments? Where we can go for comments? Okay, how we can go for comments? Exactly in which place we can go for comments? Okay, like how, what is the way to write a comment or to mention a comment, right? And also identifiers, what are the rules for identifiers? Okay, what we can call this is identifier, based on which we can call this is identifier, yes or no? So all these things we have completed in our last session. Okay, so now today we'll go for the remaining part of what, keywords. Okay, where, what, see, what is keywords? Okay, and where exactly we can go for keywords? Okay, without knowing these keywords we can't go for any programming, yes or no? Because see, in programming if you'll see public, static, void, main, whatever we are using, class, anything, like anything, all these things are depends on a keyword only. Without knowing keyword we cannot proceed further with the programming knowledge, correct? So now we'll start and we'll go for our keyword sessions. So keywords, what what are the keywords? Okay, one, keywords and Java keywords and its rules. Keywords are predefined identifier available directly inside the JVM. Okay, what is JVM? JVM is nothing but Java virtual machine, whatever we have installed in our machine, correct? Now after installing Java Kit, after installing JDK, any version, so you will be getting JVM inside it. Yes or no? Yes. Now they have some certain meaning inside Java source code and outside or comments. Yes or no? So like for example, public, static, void, class, all extensions like this, around 50 keywords are there. Okay, 50 and also more than 50 keywords nowadays is there. So we'll see all these things, we'll see one by one. Okay, so now we'll go for what is the rules. Okay, what is the rules? Here can you write what is rules for keyword? Correct or not? Correct or not? Yes. So now we'll go for what? Rules. Keywords can't be used. Keyword can't be used as user-defined identifier by the developer. Yes or no? Either for variable or or tell me class name, because why because keywords are reserved. Yes or no? Keywords are reserved for their personal use. Yes or no? Means see, we'll get the keywords while installing JDK, while installing Java. By default we are going to get the JVM, correct? So since we are getting JVM by default during installations of Java, so at the same time only, right, at the same time only, whatever keywords are available, those things will be automatically, it will be there inside the JVM. Okay, so only we need to use those keywords, correct or not? Only we need to use those keywords. Before using those keywords, we should know what is the keyword and where should we use which type of keyword, right? The exact working functionality of the keywords, the function of each keywords we should know before that. So here what we are saying, keywords can't be used as user defined identifiers. Like user defined identifiers are nothing but, if you'll see here, what is this identifiers? User defined identifiers means, suppose now you can tell me identifier is nothing but the name, right? Can we use whatever keywords are available in JVM? Can you use as an identifier? Means like in place of A, can I write class static? Can I write class public? No, never. Why? Because all these keywords are reserved. Okay, inside JVM, all these keywords are reserved. We can't write like this. Got it? Yes. Next. What next? All character, all characters in the keyword must be the in lowercase. Lowercase means small characters. Okay, must be in lowercase because identifier is case sensitive. See, identifier is nothing but whatever yesterday class we have completed, right? So identifier is case sensitive. That means suppose we are writing, this is our class A. Okay, suppose class test. Yes or no? This is our class test. While we'll compile these things, yes or no? While we'll compile this test class, how we can compile? Java C test.java. Yes or no? This is right or wrong? So then now how we can execute this one? How we can execute? Java test. Yes or no? Java test. Correct. So this is right or wrong? By compilation, this command is for compilation is right or wrong? This is right only, right? And this is also correct. Now can we write like this? Can anyone tell me, can I write like this or not? Java C test.java. Can I write like this? And Java test. Can I write like this? Anyone can tell me? Yes, you can write like this. This one during compilation, see, compilation means Java C file name dot Java. So we can follow this file name. This is correct, right? But the thing is, we cannot write like this because class is capital, right? We can't write like this. Means see, identifiers are case sensitive. Identifiers are nothing but class name, method name, yes or no? That variable name. Wherever you will find any names, okay, that is nothing but an identifier. Got it? Means only the name of the basic programming elements. Correct. So here the same thing we have mentioned, what all characters are in the keywords, all characters must be lowercase because identifiers are case sensitive. Yes or no? Now you can tell me, I have one question. Okay, you can ask me one question. Each class, what is class a keyword? Each class a keyword? Is class a keyword? No. Answer: no. It is not a keyword. It is not a keyword. Its first character is capital, is in uppercase. Yes or no? Is in uppercase. First character is in uppercase. So Same like this, one more thing is there inside the JVM. What? Instead class is a what? Tell me, come on. Class is a keyword. See, this is class, right or not? This is class. Hey, come on, this is class. Where is that marker? This is class. Okay, nothing but this is instead class is a keyword. Correct. Here, this is uppercase. This class is in uppercase. This is simple class only. Okay, class is itself a class. Okay, that will see. Class is itself a class. But here, this class is, it is a keyword because all these things are in lowercase. Correct or not? So, now you can ask another question. What is that? Now let's see what is the need of these keywords. Okay, what is need of these keywords? Need of these keywords. Correct or not? Need of these keywords. When means why keyword came into picture? Okay, why should we go for keywords? Okay, in JVM, suppose you're writing one program, how will you get to know in this place this keyword is required? Okay, basically, what is that? Basically, keywords are used to communicate with compiler and JVM about the operations we are performing in our applications. About the what? JVM. About the operations we are performing in Java application or in our applications or in our systems. Yes or no? Yes. Now, one more interesting thing we'll see. Okay. One more interesting thing we'll see. Suppose this is a program. Okay. Suppose this is a program. Just imagine this is a program, and here this is some lines are there, multiple lines are there here inside our program. Just imagine this is our program, Java application. Okay. Here my question, these keywords as we have seen, multiple keywords are there. Okay. Here in Java applications, how many places, now we'll see how many places we can use these all these keywords. Okay, now how many places we can go for, we can write keywords, we can use the keywords in how many places. Especially we'll write one program. Suppose what, this is our program, this is our class test, public static void main what, string array args. Yes or no? Yes or no? Like this we are having multiple lines. Like this we are having multiple lines. There might be some multiple lines. There might be chances of multiple lines. Correct. So this is our class. Now we'll see in this class in which places, how many places we can use these our keywords available inside the JVM. Okay. Here we'll write. In Java file, we can perform 10 different operations. 10 different operations means 10 different operations means like what? See, what type of operations you can do based on this keywords. Okay, on based on these lines you can recognize, yes, this is the place we can use keywords in this place, right? So what are those 10 different operations? What are those 10 different operations? Creating Java file. Okay, here we can use, during creation of Java file, here we can use some keywords. What are those required keywords? Class, interface, or enum. Yes or no? Or enum. During creation of creating Java file, we can use these three keywords. Okay. We'll see. We'll see by just by writing a program. We'll see one by one. Don't worry. Don't worry. Come on. Don't worry. Okay. You able to understand, right? Getting my points? Okay. So this is storing data temporarily with different size of memory locations. Okay, creating memory locations. Memory locations means what? During variable creations. Okay, during variable creations means once we are storing any value inside a variable, we are providing memory. Okay, that means we are creating a memory locations inside Java file. Correct. Controlling calculation and modifications. If you are doing any type of mathematical expressions, okay, if you are doing any type of modifications in our Java file or in our program, during that time also we can go for this keywords. We can use those keywords. Okay, then setting accessibility permissions. Setting accessibility permissions. Don't worry, just think, just these are the lines where we can use our enums. Okay, where we can use our keywords. Okay, like in class, interface, enums, all these are the lines. Okay, while creating or storing temporarily with different size with memory locations. Okay, because multiple, how many variables will be created, that many memory locations will be created. Correct. Like this, these are the lines in how many places we can use. Correct. Then what? Modifying other default properties. Modifying other default properties. Okay, next, establishing relation between classes. Relation between classes, that means we'll see inheritance chapter. In inheritance chapter we'll see how relation can be happen between multiple classes, between the among the classes. Okay, now object representations. Okay, now grouping the classes. Now handling user mistakes. User mistake. Yes or no? Handling user mistakes. Any doubt? These are the 10 places. These are the 10 important different operations. Okay. Hey, don't go for any type of mistake. If I'm doing any type of mistake means what? Typing mistake or word mistake, just let me know, we'll rectify it. Otherwise, just don't think like, yes, this type mistake is happening, that much things is happening. Okay, don't take it to mind. Just our main motive, just concentrate and focus. This is at least main focus is our to understand the code. Okay, main function, the functionality we should understand. These are nothing. These small mistakes will happen. Okay, no problem. In Java in Java we have 50 keywords. See, most awaited time. What are those 50 keywords? Yes or no? To perform all above 10 operations. To perform all above 10 operations. Among those 50 keywords, among 50 keywords, among those 50 keywords, among those 50 keywords, what? Tell me. 47 are 47 keywords are introduced in Java 1.0. Means the starting version of Java, or mostly all keywords they have, they have mentioned, right? Like 47 keywords means around all keywords they have mentioned in the starting time of Java, the initial version of Java 1.0. Correct. Java 1.0 by Sun Microsystems. Yes or no? Yes. So here some points we can mention. What? Java 1.2. See, this is the 47 keywords came into Java 1.0. You know what is the remaining 3 keywords? What remaining 3 keywords? In Java 1.2 new keyword. What is that new keyword? Strict FP. Okay, was introduced, was added, was added, was added. In Java 1.4, 1.4, Java 1.4, what? Tell me. Offset was added. Yes or no? Offset was added. Then in Java 5, new keyword enum came into picture. Enum was added. Yes or no? Yes. Among those 50 keywords, two keywords are reserved. Two keywords are reserved word. Reserved word means we can't see this. We cannot use those reserved word in our basic program. Reserved word. They can't be used in Java program. They can't be used in Java program. Why? Why we cannot use those two words in Java program? Why? Because keywords are defined in JVM. Keywords are defined in JVM. Correct. But not implemented. But they are not implemented. Okay. Those are, what are those two keywords? Those are, hey, tell me, those are const and go to. These are two keywords. Okay, all 50 keywords we'll see. We'll see like one by one. Don't worry. So const and go to, these are two keywords available inside the JVM, but these two keywords are not implemented. Only they have defined these two keywords inside JVM. Okay, since there is no implementation for these two keywords, we are saying this as reserved word. Yes or no? Reserved word. Now we can see all 50 keywords. Here in below we can see all 50 keywords, what? Into 10 categories. Based on 10 categories, based on the operations. 10 categories. Let it be. We'll see in 10 categories. What are the reserved keywords now? We'll see. Means complete 50 keywords. What are the 50 keywords? We'll see. Okay. Fine. So first we'll see Java file. Java file. First we'll see Java file having 3 keywords. Java file having 3 keywords. What are those 3 keywords? Class, interface, enum. Yes or no? And this enum came in to Java. Tell me, this enum came into Java 1.5 version. Yes or no? One part completed. The second, what is the second? Data types. Okay, data type. What? Data type 8 plus 1. Here I am mentioning 8 plus 1. What is this 8 plus 1? These are nothing but 8 keywords can be used as a data type and also return type. Okay, means whatever things, first let me cover these things. Okay, first let me cover these things. Byte, short, int, long, tell me, float, double, char, boolean, then void, boolean, then void, then void. Getting or not? Clear or not? Clear or not? Yes. Boolean and void. Boolean and void. Why this is 8 plus 1? Why this is 8 plus 1? The first 8 won't see. First 8 means this 8. Wide, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. These are the 8 keywords. These are nothing but both data, both data type and return type. Okay, we can use for both data type and also for return type. Now you can tell me what is data type and what is return type. Got it? Suppose we are writing something. Suppose int a equal to 10. Here we are writing. Means here int is nothing but data type. Okay, a is nothing but a variable, 10 is nothing but a value. Yes or no? Means 10 is getting stored in a variable where data type is int. Same like this, can you write like float f equal to 10 1.0f. Same like this, long int float long l equal to some values we can write. Yes or no? Same like this, double d, same like this, char c, same like this, boolean b equal to true or false. Any values you can give for boolean. So my question here is, these are the data types. Okay, here we are also using for, we can use this data type. This is a data type, this is a data type. Also we can go for return type also. Return type means what? Tell me, return type means what? This is, here in this section you can see public static void main. Then what is the return type here? Void is the return type. Same like this, we can write int main, float main, double, long. Well, suppose we are creating our any method. Okay, we are creating any of our method. If we will be taking class a, and here we are taking void m1. This is our method. Yes or no? So in place of void, void is nothing but a return type. Yes or no? Void is nothing but a return type, right? This is not a data type. This is only, this void only applicable for return type. Same like this, we can write, class A int m1, int m1, double m1, double m1. Same like this, float m1. Like this we can write. For all the data types. So that is the reason we are calling this as first 8, or these 8 keywords can be used as data types as well as return types also. Let me mention these things here. What these 8 keywords, can be used as data types and also as return types. Correct. Data types and return types as well. Data types and return type. Data types and return type. But this void, what we can do it? Void. This can be only used as return type. This can be used as return type only. This can be used as return types only. Next, what 3? Next, what 3 is nothing but memory locations. Nothing but what? Memory locations. For these memory locations, 2 keywords are there. For these memory locations, 2 keywords are there. Okay. For these memory locations, 2 keywords are there. What are those 2 keywords? Come on. What are those 2 keywords? Static. Okay. Here. New. New is a keyword. We'll see all these, whatever keywords we are mentioning here, we are going to use all these keywords in our next coming classes. Okay, where we can use sort, where we can use white, in which place we can go for static, why should we go for new, when should we go for new. Okay, so all these things we are going to see all line by line or day by day in our next coming classes. Next, 4. What next? 4 is nothing but control statement. Mark it. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, these are nothing but, those are 10 operations, 10 categories. Getting or not? Getting my point? 10 operations, nothing but 10 operations. 10. So that is the reason what we are doing exactly. We are dividing those keywords in 10 categories. Right? This is control statement. In control statement, suppose in control statement, what we'll do, we'll some keywords are there, but still we'll separate them for your better understanding. For our better understanding, we can divide them all. First one is, suppose this is not first one. First one is conditional. For conditional, there are some keywords. What are those keywords? For conditional, there are some keywords. What are those? If, else, if else, switch, if else, switch, case, then default. This is for condition check. We can go for these are the keywords. Then what is this is second. For loop, loop means while loop, for loop, like this type of loop creations. During this loop we'll go for while, do. See, mark one thing, everything whatever we are writing here, those are in lowercase only. Yes or no? Because, tell me, because keywords should be lowercase and that are not, that are available already mentioned inside the JVM. Only we need to use. Correct or not? So here this is loop. Then third. What is third? The third thing is transfer. Transfer means for this transfer, break, continue, and return. Break, continue, and return means these are, once you use break keyword, means this will be transfer one, means what we can say, one function to another function. Suppose we are writing a program and in between the program we are writing some break, means suddenly that program will stop from there and it will go for the next process. Okay, continue, return, like this. These are the some important concepts. Okay, these are some important concepts used for transfer. Right, now what, this is 4. Now can we write like this is 5. Can we write like this is 5. Accessibility modifier. In accessibility modifier, 3 keywords are there. Accessibility modifier, 3 keywords are there. What are those 3 keywords? 3 keywords. Accessibility modifier, 3 keywords are there. What are those 3 keywords? Private, protected, and public. Private, protected, and public. This public, okay, this public, private, protected, and public. Same like in place of public also we can use private. In case of public also we can use protected. Getting or not? Getting or not? Getting my point? Able to understand? Okay. Now, next. What next? 6. This is accessibility modifier. This is accessibility modifier. Now, execution level. Execution level modifier. There are 8 execution level modifiers are available. What are those? What are those? Static, final, abstract, then native, transient, volatile, then synchronized, then strict FP. Yes or no? This strict FP came into Java 1.2, right? This strict FP. This is the execution level modifier, nothing but a execution level modifier. And the above one is accessibility modifier, private, protected, public. Clear? Yes. Now 7. What is that? Relationship. Inheritance relationship. Here, what is this inheritance relationship? Here also 2 keywords are there. What are those 2 keywords? What are those 2 keywords? Extends implements, extends, implements. Okay, extends, implements. These are the two keywords, extends and implements. Next, what next? 8. What next? 8. 8. What is this? Object representations. Object representations. Yes or no? Object representations. In object representation, what this super, then instance of. This is coming under object representation section. Then 9. What is this? Package. In package also there are keywords. What? Package, import. Package and import. Now, for handling exceptions. What is this? 10. Exception handling. 5 plus 1. Here 5 plus 1. What is this 5 plus 1? What is this 5 plus 1? What is this 5 plus 1? 5 important and 1 is non-important. Okay, 1 is non-important. Why we are saying? And try in our regular classes, in our regular Java applications, we are going to use these 5 things. We are going to use. Okay, try, catch, finally. Try, catch, finally, throw and throws. These 5 we are going to use our regular classes, in our regular life, in our regular Java applications. Okay, these 5 are. The next one is what? The next one is nothing but asset. Okay, nothing but asset. Clear? Any doubt? Next, 11. What is this? 11. This is unused keyword. Unused keyword. Tell me, come on. What are those unused keywords? Already we explained. Already I have explained. Already you know all these things. Unused keywords. Yes or no? What are those two unused keywords are there? Const and go to. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now these things are completed. These unused keywords means we are not going to use in our classes, in our Java application, right? So these are the things. Any doubt here? These are 50 keywords. If you count, this will become 50 only. Okay, all these things if you count, this will become 50 only. 50 things are there. 50 classes will be, 50 keywords will be there. Now, here if we see, let me explain one thing. Default literals. Default literals. What? Reference literals. See, primitive type and reference type. What are these primitive type and reference type? That also we are going to see in next coming days, in our next coming classes or next coming programs. So, and what is primitive difference between primitive and reference? That also we are going to see. This is reference literal means there is one reference literal. What is that? There is one reference literal. That is null. That is null. Yes or no? Then Boolean literals. There are two Boolean literals. Okay, means wherever you are going to write this Boolean, only these two values can be applicable. True, false. Okay, these are nothing but some default literals are available. These are nothing but some default literals are available. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt till here? Any doubt? So here now you can ask me one questions. Okay. Here you can ask me one questions. Okay, sir. Is null is a keyword? Yes or no? Is null a keyword? No, null is not a keyword. Boolean here Boolean literals are what? True or false? Okay. Suppose null is not a keyword. Then you can ask another question. Can you use this null as user defined identifier? Can you use this null like we are writing what? Class A. We are writing public static. Void main is the identifier. So in place of main or in place of A, here in place of A or in place of main, whatever identifiers are there, okay, or in place of, tell me, args, can we use null? Can null be allowed here? No. Even though it is not a keyword, we cannot use null as a identifier. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Next. Here, what we'll do? We'll mark it as like this. It will be helpful. Getting or not? Yes. Now, what we'll write here? We will see one thing. What? We'll see one thing, one question. Okay. How many types of data types Java supports? How many types of data types data supports? Java supports. Okay, two types. Two types. What are those? Two types. Primitive types. Okay, primitive types. There are 8 primitive types and reference type. Reference types. 4 primitive types. See, primitive types means nothing but like what? Ints, bytes, or 8 long. These are nothing but primitive types only. Okay, reference means we can say some object type. Okay, what are those reference types that we will see? Okay, like for example, string is a reference type. Okay, string is not a keyword. Okay, string is not a keyword. Here we are saying how many types of data type. Okay, how many types of data type Java supports? 8 primitive type and 4 reference types. Reference type means are nothing but what? Reference type are nothing but, tell me, object type only. Object type only. Here, how many? Next question. How many modifiers Java supports? How many modifiers Java supports? How many modifiers? See, here in above we have seen accessibility modifier and execution level modifier. How many modifiers? See, whatever we have mentioned keywords, mostly all the keywords we are going to use in our Java applications, in our regular life or in our regular Java classes. But some very less number of keywords are there which we are not going to use. Okay, so that's why we are mentioning all these things. Means very small questions that may raises in your mind. Okay, so how many modifiers Java supports? 11 modifiers are there. Okay, 11 modifiers are there. These things are Java supports. Yes or no? Yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt? Now the remaining, what are the remaining are there? Suppose some try, catch, finally, throws. Okay. So what? See, finalize, final. Here in exception handling chapter, there is a chapter exception handling. In next coming days or in future, we are going to see. Okay. So that time we'll see what is the functionality of catch, what is the functionality of finally, okay, and what is the final key. See, here you can here you can, if you'll mark properly, some final keyword is there, yes or no. Execution label modifier, you can see final, here you can see finally, right? So there is a concept. What is, now you can ask me what is final and what is final, what is the difference between two. And in garbage collection chapter we'll see one more thing, that is finalize. That time we'll see what is the difference between final, what is the difference between finally, and what is difference, what is the difference, what is this finalize method is different from this final and this finally. Understood or not? Getting point or not? Clear, right? Super, super. So now we successfully completed this commands identifier and keywords. Here in this chapter, having any doubt? Anyone having any doubts? Immediately raise your hand, because these keywords are the most and very most important concept. Because these all these keywords we are going to use in our regular life, in our Java. Complete Java is based on these keywords only. Class, interface, in, void, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, void, static, new, this all these things. Mostly program means this one. See, suppose this is a program, okay, this is a program. How many keywords are there? Class itself is a keyword, public is a keyword, static is a keyword, void is a return type, yes or no, string is the reference type. Here out is the variable, println is the method. Mostly all the keywords, whatever variable, suppose you are writing some int a, int b, if you will be writing any type of variables inside this method, there also you need to use these keywords. Everywhere you need to use the keywords. Understood or not? So these things we have completed. Now what we'll see, now what we'll see, we'll see, now we'll see, one second, now we'll see working with edit plus software. Working with edit plus software. What is this edit plus software? Working with edit plus software. Working with edit plus software. What is this edit plus software? What is this edit plus software? This is nothing but best way to write our Java applications, best way to write our program, best way to elaborate our program. Because you can tell the same thing, hello sir, we can do all these things in Notepad as well, right? In Notepad also we can write like this, yes or no? Class A, static, void main, public static, void main, string array args. Okay, here system.out.println, system.out.println. Can anyone tell me this program will execute or not? Suppose you wrote this program in a notepad, okay, this is the program. Can anyone tell me, is this program is going to execute or we are going to get any error? No, right? Why? This program will execute. No, right? Hey, come on. Is it no? Yes, we are going to get error. Yes, we are going to get error. Yes or no? Why? Why we are going to get error? Class A, public static void main string array args. Right? The first error we are going to get over here. Over here. Okay, here this should be capital S, this should not be small s, this should be capital S, because this is the string is nothing but a predefined class, okay, reference type. This string is nothing but a predefined class, reference type. System is also a class, it should be capital letter. because here we are calling this out is nothing but a variable, okay, available inside system class. So this variable and this method, this println method, we are we are calling. See, out is a variable. Out is nothing but a variable. So based on this class, we are calling this static variable, right? So that means class should be capital letter here. System, like system, string. So while writing these things in Notepad, can you able to recognize? Simply you wrote during compilations only it will throw error is this is the problem in this class, this should not be literal, so it will show some mistake, okay, it will show some error, it will do all these things. But in the problem is if we write the same thing in Notepad, we are not going to execute, means we are not going to recognize where exactly error is, yes or no? But in edit plus, we are going to get, okay, we are going to get the things properly, okay, we are going to get the things properly. Why? Because multiple. So let me show you edit plus, okay, let me show you edit plus. The edit plus is already there in my system, don't worry, I will tell you how to download edit plus, where to download, okay, I will tell you all these things. Suppose this is edit plus, this is edit plus, okay, how we'll create one Java program, okay, we'll create same thing how we wrote in Notepad, same thing can we write here, class, see automatically curly braces came or not, okay, class A, suppose class A, yes or no, see public static void main, yes or no, public static void main string array args, string array args, then what, system dot out dot println, yes or no, hello world, hello world. See how multiple color combination you are getting or not, you are getting multiple color combinations, yes or no? Class is a keyword, all the keywords we are getting in blue color, okay, all the predefined classes we are getting in red color, you can see in red color, all the printing statement you can see in pink color, yes or no, yes or no, yes. So all the strings means nothing but whatever we'll put inside the double quote, that is string. So these things are in pink color, yes or no? So now here what is the advantages of edit plus software? Okay, why should we go for edit plus? Why should we go for edit plus software? Edit plus software. Why should you go for edit plus software? This software provides more features than Notepad. Tell me, than Notepad. Yes or no? What are those features? What are those features? Keywords are in blue color. Means it is easy to recognize for a developer, yes or no? Means a developer is writing means immediately this can able to understand, hey, this string is not in red color, means definitely some problem is there, some mistake is there, yes or no? This is a keyword, if this keyword is not in blue color means this is not a keyword, if this is a keyword, why then why it's not in blue color, okay, might be some case sensitive, might be some case means uppercase or lowercase problem will be there, immediately developer will recognize and it will rectify it. Predefine classes in red color, predefined classes are in red color, yes or no? Yes. Now strings and and literals in pink color, strings and literals are in pink color. Strings means what? Nothing but whatever we are going to put inside the double quote. Don't think this string. This is class, predefined class. That's why it is in red color. Okay. That's why it is in red color. Now, what we'll see? How we can download that Edit Plus software. How we can download that Edit Plus software. How we can download that Edit Plus software. Yes or no? How we can download that Edit Plus software. Here, just go to that application. Just go to that application. What? Tell me. Just go to that application. My system getting hanged. Super. My system getting just Edit Plus. Just type www.editplus.com. editplus.com. See, suggested automatically or not? editplus.com. It's suggested automatically or not? See, Edit Plus software. Download free trial and these things. www.editplus.com. Let me copy paste it over here. Yes or no? Downloading Edit Plus software. This is the URL for this. So here, see, download Edit Plus 6.0 64 bit. Yes or no? Download version 5, version 4, like this multiple version you can find. Directly just click on this, you can find it will getting downloaded here. Yes or no? It's getting downloaded. See, Edit Plus 64. So it is just a exe file, right? It is just a exe file. If you'll see, this is downloaded. Yes or no? This is Edit Plus 3 downloaded. This is Edit Plus 3 downloaded. Clear? This is Edit Plus 3 downloaded. Download Edit Plus 3. Clear? But I have this Edit Plus already. So once you get Edit Plus downloaded, what will do? Once you'll get Edit Plus, what will do? We'll just double click on this file. This file is downloaded. Okay, in which file it got downloaded? In which file it is downloaded? Just click. Just double click on this. Okay, just click on this run button. Okay, then double click on this file. Just next and finish. Next and finish. See, once I will exit this application, means this will be what? This will be going to install in my system. Okay, nothing. It's very easy, very simple steps to download and very simple step to install. So just click on next and finish. Clear? Next and finish. Got it? Then you will get like this. Okay, so in between you may find it will ask for license and keywords. Okay, like this some pop-ups you are going to get. Okay, after 1 month, this is 30 days free trial. This is okay, means for 30 days you can work free with Edit Plus. After that it will ask for some license like this. Some pop-up will come. Keyword, license, key or license. Okay, Edit Plus key or license. Some terms and condition will be available here. So like this, a pop-up will come. Okay, whenever you are going to get this pop-up after 30 days, see, don't afraid, don't think I cannot work with Edit Plus now onwards. Okay, just you need to drag and drop that window. How we are dragging the window? Just click on this. There will be this section, right? On this section, just click and you can drag like this. It will come automatically here. Yes or no? Let me show you how you can drag. So suppose this is a notepad. Okay, this is a same like this. A pop-up will be coming after 30 days. Okay, if you are having license, then you can put it and you can work. Okay, otherwise simply what you can do, just click on this, drag and put it in kernel. This is not going to give any effect to your program. Happily you can work here in edit plus. Happily you can work in your edit plus. Understood or not? How I drag and drop here. Same like this, you also have to do the same. Clear? Yes. Now after installing Java, what we will do after installing that edit plus? Suppose after installing this edit plus, this is my edit plus. Just forget everything. This is my edit plus, and just imagine I installed freshly. This is my edit plus, and I installed freshly. Okay. How we can create a Java file? Yes, tell me how we can create a Java file. Here option is there, file, new, others. File, new, others. See, all multiple language we can write in edit plus. That is the very good advantage as compared to notepad. Can you able to write in all these things in notepad? Yes, obviously you can write, but the thing is, you should know all these things. How we can write the same thing in PHP, how we can write the same thing in JSP, how we can write the same thing how we can create a CSS file, how we can Python file, Ruby file, eRuby file, right? So all these things we no need to worry about as a developer. Edit plus has provided all these things. Simply you need to click. Suppose we want to create a Java file, simply click on Java, right? Just click on OK. See, now your file, take this file as a Java extension. Okay, whatever we will write, class, see, class, automatically this curly braces came on, because for this edit plus, it understood automatically, hey, this developer has selected a Java application he wants to build. Okay, so automatically internally it will take, and like this you can create our Java file, first program, like this you can write void main, like this you can write. Yes or no? System.out.println, like this you can write anything you can put here. This is our Java program or not? Yes. See how much easy this is, how interesting this edit plus. Now you can use you can use notepad or edit plus. Yes, tell me. Now you can use edit plus or notepad? No, use notepad. Notepad is very better, right? Okay, no problem. So now, jokes apart, this is our. We can go for edit plus. Okay, we can go for edit plus. Now I'll tell you one thing. Okay, now I'll tell you one thing. You can suppose this we wrote this program. Suppose we wrote this program, and this is our first program. This is our first program. See here, very interesting thing. Very interesting. See it carefully. This is the first program. This is our first program. To compile this program, how we can do? If now I told this is it's a huge difference between edit plus and notepad, right? In a notepad, previously we should go for command prompt. If you want to compile, if you want to compile something, we should write like this: Java C first program dot Java. Yes or no? After this, Java first program. These things we need to write or not in notepad. But in edit plus, we can set Java C, and we can set Java. See, this is for compilation purpose, this is for execution purpose, right? This is for compilation purpose, this is for execution purpose. Now we can add a shortcut for this here in in edit plus. Okay, in edit plus. Okay, yes or no? Means in edit plus, suppose we are writing this program. Okay, we'll first will. So we can set this Java C and Java in one place, just by providing one shortcut key. We can compile our applications, we can execute our applications. We no need to write, we no need to set, we no need to go for command prompt. You see, if you want, you can go and execute, but in edit plus is providing some shortcut, then why should you go for that that much thing like just manually writing all these things, yes or no? Okay, what are all these things, what are all these things, how we can go, come on, interesting, very interesting, right? How we can add that compiler and how we can add the JVM. Okay, how we can add the JVM, compiler and JVM. Yes, tell me. Here how we can, there is a options, what, there is a options. Okay, where, what is that option? Tools. Here tools is there or not? Okay, tools is there or not? Here is configure user tools, yes or no? See, previously it is there with me, compiler and JVM, compiler and JVM, compiler and JVM. Previously both the things are there, yes or no? Previously both the things are there. What will do? Tell me, what will do? What will do? We need to add the compiler. Compiler is nothing but Java C. Okay, compiler is nothing but Java C. Okay, and JVM is nothing but Java only, yes or no? JVM is nothing but Java only. Getting my point or not? Here you can ask like, sir, here one path you have added, right? Don't worry. What will do? what will do? I will delete these two things. Remove. Okay. This is remove. Okay. This is remove. Both the things I have removed. Clear? Now what will do? Suppose let me save these applications. This is our. Suppose we want to save this application in what? In our class, yes or no? In our class programs, suppose first program is there, yes or no? First program is there. First program, yes or no? First program. See what it is saying, program already exists, you want to replace it. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, see, one more interesting thing. Okay, one more interesting thing. What? This is, yes, tell me. This is, suppose, where we have created, here we have created our study materials, our programs. Here three things came or not? One Java file came, one class file came, one backup file came, yes or no? One Java file came, one class file came, and one backup file came. Correct. My question here is, why this backup file came? Suppose we'll delete all these things. Okay, what I'll do, delete all these things. Clear? Again, what we'll do? Suppose we'll save this one. Where it will ask where you want to save. Yes or no? These things already saved in program, first program, right? See, first program came or not? This first program came or not? Again, right? Suppose instead of this first program, what we'll do? We'll create one more new Java file. Okay. Second program. Can you save this one? Again, it will ask for second program. Yes or no? Here you can save program file. What it is saying? Edit +3 second one. You don't have permission to save in this locations. Okay. Here we need to store in our locations. This is our locations. This is programs. This is the second program. Yes or no? Now we saved this second program. Clear? See, only first program came, second program came. Right? First program came, second program came. That's it. What we'll do now? We'll add that. I don't want it. Previously, what we used to do like this, CMD. Command prompt we used to go for command prompt. Like this we treat to like Java C what first program dot Java first program dot Java. Yes or no? We used to compile like this previously. Yes or no? And it is showing some errors or anything. It is showing some errors. That will see. Oh, where is that? What is that error? Uh, first program dot Java. Okay, yes, this is the error. Okay, here we forgot these things. Here this is the error. Now if we'll execute this same thing, now it will execute or not? It's getting executed, right? We wrote these applications in edit plus, but we tell me, but we what happened? Wrote these applications in edit plus, but we are executing command prompt. See, I don't want to execute this in command prompt. Okay, I don't want to execute these things in command prompt. What I will do for that, we will add some configurations. What type of configurations? Go to tools, user configure tools. Okay, see here what it is saying, control 1 and control 2. Control 1 is for compiler, control 2 is for JVM. Let me, what is happening, control 1 and control 2. Now you can add like this, control 1 and control 2. Okay, you can add like this, project, okay, project tools, user configure tools. Okay, user configure tools, icon, no icon, right? No icon. This is for compiler and this is for JVM. For compiler, suppose last time we have removed, then why it is coming again? Remove. Okay, apply and okay. Now here it is showing empty, right? It is showing empty. Configure user tools. Here what will do? Tell me. What will do? How we can add that Java and how we can add? Yes, tell me how we can add. Here click on configure user tools. Okay. Then add tools option is there or not? Add tools. Then here you can write program. Okay. What is this program name? In menu text you can write like this. Compiler. Okay. Compiler. What is the command for this? Tell me, what is the command for this? Command means is nothing but we need to set the path where that Java C is available. Where that Java C is available? Tell me, C program file inside Java, here JDK 1.7, inside this bin folder, you can see this Java C or not? You can see this Java C or not? Hey, come on, you can see this Java C or not? See this Java C.exe file added here or not? For compiler options. For compiler options. Yes or no? For compiler options. These things came automatically, right? These things came automatically. Now, what would be the argument here? What type of argument we can give here? What is argument value? Okay, here just click on this argument, right click on this argument. Hey, come on. Wherever getting any doubts, immediately raise your hand. So here, what should we do? What should we do? Here, argument values. We have to click on this drop down box. Okay. After this, it's text field. Here we need to do file name. Okay. Here we need to click on the what? Tell me. File name. What? We need to the file name. Then after file name means why we are writing file name? Because compilation will happen based on the file name only, right? Yes. Here initial, what we can put inside initial? Okay, what we can put in initial? Click on file directory. Okay, nothing but file directory. Actions. What is this actions? What is this actions? Do you need to put anything in this action field? Okay, no. We no need to do anything in the action field. Anything we need to do, we no need to do. text file replace output window, no, not required. Okay, so here output patterns below, see here you can see compiler got added, yes or no, compiler got added. Here file name and file directory is there, file name and file directory is there, yes or no. Same like this, can we add a JVM? Same like this, can you add JVM? Add tool program, what we can write? JVM, yes or no. For JVM, what file path we can give? Only Java, yes or no, only Java. Here what would be the extension? Come on, what will be the extension for this Java? Like compiler we have put what? Like compiler we put what? Java file directory and file name. In case of argument we put what? File name. Here what should we put? Tell me. Here what should we put? Argument file name. What? File name. Where is that? Without extension. File name without extension. Like if remember why we are writing file name without extension? In class name, while compiling we are writing what? Program file dot java, yes or no? Dot java means here we are providing the extension, but during executions did we providing anything? How we are writing? Java class name, Java class name, yes or no, whatever it may be, Java class name. Here only we are not providing any extension, so that is the reason here during adding that JVM, the argument can be file name without extension, file name without extension, right? And same like initially directory you can use file directory, yes or no, yes or no, yes or no, yes. So like this Java C, what now everything got clear, right? Everything got clear. Now can we do it apply and okay, apply and oh, this is our final window. Now you can see once you click on this, here control 1 and control 2 it has been added, okay, control 1 and control 2, see, press any key to continue, right? Now now if you'll see that directory, this first program compiled or not? First program compiled or not? Hey, come on, first program compiled or not? Here, okay. For your knowledge, what I will do for your confirmation, we will what we'll do? We will see. Will see for your confirmation. We'll see here. See now only two files are there, first program and second program. Now what will do? Go for tools. Yes or no? Go for tools. See directly also you can use control 1 shortcut key and control 2 shortcut key to execute your program. Now simply compiler 1. Now it is what it is showing. See immediately one file created or not? First program. Press any key to continue, any key press. Again just press control 2, okay, JVM control 2, what it is showing? It is coming or not? It is printing or not? Tell me, come on. Interesting, right? How interesting it is? Super, yes or no? Now we are getting the output like this, whatever is there inside our first program we are getting. Press any key to continue. Since we are pressing any type of key, you can press and it will be execute. Able to understand or not? Hey, able to understand or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt, right? Okay. So here like this, see now tell me, Edge Plus is better or this one? What is this? Notepad is better. Edit Plus is better or Notepad is better? Definitely Edit Plus is better, right? Super. So same like this, will next onwards, what is our next in today's session we have completed these comments and how we can work with Edit Plus software, how we can download and how we can install and how we can set the compiler and JVM also. I don't want to write it manually, I don't want to compile it manually, I don't want to execute it manually, okay, by providing the command. So what we'll do, we'll set that command in the Edit Plus, like it will be easy for us. Only by using shortcut key we can execute, right? Only by using shortcut key we can execute. Yes or no? Only by using shortcut key we can execute. What? Tell me. Tell me. What we can do? Yes or no? Yes. So these are the things today's session we have completed. In today, what we have seen, like data types, literals, yes or no? Where we can go for int data. So tomorrow we'll see when we should go for which type of data types. Okay, these are nothing but like modifiers, keywords. Tomorrow we'll see where which type of modifiers we can use, like these data types and literals. Okay, what are the data types? In, short, wide, long, float, double, char, boolean. These are the 8 data types. Okay, so 8 data types, and whatever the literals are there, tomorrow sessions we are going to see. Clear? In tomorrow sessions we are going to see. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hey, come on, is that clear? Is there any doubt in today's session, guys? No. Okay, fine. So then we'll meet tomorrow class. Thank you guys, thank you all.